What's happening, guys? Today we're doing a move, a very flashy but simple move called the Icepick transfer. Here's what it looks like. That's the move, and here it is back again to the other hand, and here is a slow-mo. To begin this move, you're going to start off hanging on to the safe handle, a little bit lower down than usual, probably, with my thumb right in about the middle of the handle, and grabbing the knife in such a way that I can release my last 4 fingers, and the bite handle will swing, like so. What you're going to do is you're going to begin by doing just that, and flinging the bite handle over the back of your hand, like so. So I got the safe handle, I fling it over the bite handle over the back of my hand. From here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my thumb and my middle finger, and I'm going to pinch on either side of the safe handle as low down as possible. Right, so I've got the safe handle, flip it over the back of my hand, and I pinch low down like this. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to take this pinch here, and you're going to extend your thumb and middle finger, and you're going to use this pinch here as a pivot to swing the handle around. So I've got the safe handle, I fling it over the back of my hand, I pinch, and I fling it upside down like so. So you can practice this. If you've done the Icepick spin, this will be very familiar to you. Except for this move, it happens a little bit differently. You're going to take your offhand, so in this case it's my left hand, and I'm going to put it in this kind of a position here, right? So the back of my hand is facing to the right, to my right hand here, and my palm is facing to the left. And I'm not super close to my body. I'm kind of far away because there's got to be room for the blade. So you'll see how that works. But anyway, so you want to get in this kind of a position here. And so what you're going to do is you're going to put your hand in this position, and you're going to do just that move, right? Where you got the safe handle, you flip it out, you pinch, and you flip it around. Except for this flip, you'll see what you want to do is you want to take your thumb and middle finger, and you want to place them right about at your pinky. And what will happen is when you do the flip, you can get it in such a way that the entire safe handle goes right along basically the other side of your knuckles, basically, right? So right where your fingers meet your hand. And so that'll look something like that. Now, so once you've got that figured out, you probably kind of can see where the next thing that's going to happen is. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to grab, but you're not going to do like a tight grab. You're just going to do a little bit of a loose curl with your fingers. And what that'll do is when you do this, this flip, this pinch, this hit, and this light grab, what will happen is this handle here, right, if you're grabbing lightly enough, it's not going to stay sticking out like this, it's going to fall down, which is what you want. So you got the safe handle, you pinch, you hit your palm, you kind of hold it loosely, and the handle falls down. From here, this handle, you're kind of still holding loosely, and all you have to do is you take the back of the blade here, and you just got to fling it over your middle knuckle here, right? So naturally, right, if you hold it tightly, you're going to want to flip it over here. That's not what you want to do. You want to hold it loosely and kind of do a forwards push and flip it into your second knuckle. And so what that'll look like is when you put it all together, right, you got the safe handle, you flip it out, you hit your hand, it falls down, and you flip it out over top of your second knuckle like that. When you put it all together, it looks something like that, like so. And of course, you can see when I flip it out over my second knuckle, all I got to do is just open my hand, bam, and I can open the knife at the end of it. Right, so pinch, flip, around, and out like that. And of course, to go back the other way, it's the exact same move, right? With the flip, the pinch, the palm goes down, you turn it around, you loosely grab, it falls over the second knuckles, and open. And a cool thing about this one is you can actually just repeat it over and over again for some good practice. So this is one you can just really just flow with. And it's a very cool looking move, and it's not super hard. And this is a really nice transfer you can just throw in just about anywhere. So I hope you guys like that one. Thanks for watching. Peace.